Good morning, dear students of class 9. Beta, we have completed approx 10 question, up to 10 question, okay? But right now I'm going to start from question number 11. I have left two question in the previous lecture, the question number 7 and 10. And I will let you know answer of these two questions later on. Now, see the answer of question number 11. The question number 11 has been asked, whose marriage arrangement were made and when? See the answer. Minnie's marriage arrangement were made because it was going to take place during Puja holidays. Okay. Now 12 number question. What were the arrangements made for the marriage? Marriage के लिए क्या क्या arrangements किया जा रहा था? ठीक है, क्या क्या किया गया? It was the marriage of Minnie, so everyone was busy with different work. In the courtyard, the canopy had to be slung on its bamboo poles. The chandeliers with their tinkling sound must be hung. Here is what hung. After B, there is third form. Hang, hung. Okay. So H-U-N-G. What is written here? H-U-N-G. See the answer once again. I am going to read once again. It was the marriage of Minnie, so everyone was busy with different work. Full stop. In the courtyard, the canopy had to be slung on its bamboo poles, comma. The chandeliers with their tinkling sound must be hung in each room and veranda. Okay. What is the meaning of chandeliers? Chandeliers means a big size light decorating thing. Okay. A kind of light जो बहुत बड़े साइज का लाइट होता है. झूमर आपने देखा होगा, सुना होगा आपने झूमर, जो उसमें बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे लाइट्स भी लगे रहते हैं. एक बड़ी लाइट रहती है और उसके साथ बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे लाइट्स लगे रहते हैं और उसको डेकोरेशन के लिए हैंग किया जाता है कोई भी फंक्शन में. ठीक है, तो इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग क्या, सैंडलियर्स. तो वो भी लगना था, झूमर लगना था. ओके. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. In question number 13, it is asked, what did Kabuliwala said to Minnie's father when he offered him money? Define Rahmat's nature. काबुलीवाला ने क्या कहा मिनी के फादर को जब मिनी के फादर ने उन्हें कुछ पैसे दिए? ओके. सी द आंसर. डिफाइन रहमत नेचर. कह रहा है इसके बिहार पे आपको बताना है कि रहमत कैसा था. See, when Minnie's father offered money to Kabuliwala for the nut and raisins, he refused and explained that he brings fruits for Minnie in memory of his own daughter. He refused to give him. He requested. He requested to keep him in his memory. Who requested? काबुलीवाला requested to whom? किसको request किया? तो काबुलीवाला ने मिनी के फादर को request किया. He requested to keep him in his memory. This qualifies the quality of love and the affection of Rahmat. Okay, you can imagine what kind of person he was. Now see question number 14. In question number 14, it has been asked, what did Kabuliwala thought after seeing Minnie after so many years? See the answer. Question में पूछा गया है कि काबुलीवाले ने क्या सोचा जब वह काफी सालों बाद मिनी को देखा तो. See the answer. Kabuliwala saw Minnie after so long time that she is turned into a grown-up. बड़ी हो चुकी थी. And being married. Full stop. He thought that his own daughter, who is of same age, also would have grown up and was ready for marriage. So this was all about the questions, short questions and their answer. Now let me move to other exercise. Yes, my dear student, here after short question there is D part in which some objective type questions has been given with the option. So first one, instruction, read the instruction. Complete the following statements with the most suitable choice. Kabuliwala belonged to, which one is the correct? Afghanistan. Okay. Now, which story is authored by Rabindranath Tagore? So, answer you know very well, Kabuliwala. Now, in question number 2, point out true and false statements in the following. Story of Kabuliwala written by Rabindranath Tagore. Yeah, it is true. So, you will write here what? T. The name of the Kabuliwala was Abdul in the story. It is wrong because what was the name of Kabuliwala in this story? Rahmat. Next, the little girl Minnie was very talkative. Tell me, you should know the answer. Yes, of course, it is what? True. Now, Kabuliwala used to carry clothes and utensils. Is it correct or wrong? Obviously, it is false statement. Okay? Because he used to carry Rampuri sauce and dry fruit. That is why it is wrong. Now, marriage of Minnie to be solemnized during puja holidays. This one is true. Now, let me move to the next question. Mommy. So here is point out true and false we have completed. Okay, now we have some matching question. E part. Match the following verse given under column A with the meaning given under column B below. In column A, few words have been given and you have to what? Write the you have to tally from column A to column B. Now first one is what? Castles. What is the meaning of castle? Castle means what? Large building. So when you will make the note, in front of castle you will write what? A large building, that is fort. Now second one is what? Startled. What is the meaning of startled? Startled means what? Surprised. Now next one is what? Tide. What is the meaning of tide? Tide means what? Current. Okay. Now sturdy. Sturdy means what? It is on first, second, third, fourth. It is on fourth number. So sturdy means what here? Strong. Now queer. What is the meaning of queer? Queering means what? Strange. Now absurd. What is the meaning of absurd here? Next one is see the number of question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is what here? Foolish. Absurd means what? Foolish. Now it is the last one. What is the meaning of sordid? Sordid means what? Dirty. So you have to write the exact meaning which is given in column B. You have to write the meaning of the word which is given in left side. Left side you will write the word and in right side you will write is meaning. Okay? आपको लेफ्ट साइड कॉलम ए में ये सारे वर्ड्स लिखने हैं और राइट साइड में जो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है उसके सामने लिखना है. जैसे कैसल के सामने क्या आंसर लिखना है आपने? लार्ज बिल्डिंग, दैट इज फोर्ट. ओके. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव fill in the blanks. Okay, with the following sentences with words given below. So January pedestrians timid assault apparition. Okay, so here is what? Minnie's mother is unfortunately a very what lady? Timid lady. Now once in a year in the middle of January, Kabuliwala returned to his country. Now third question. The Kabuliwala looked a little staggered at the apparition. Okay. Now it was almost 8 o'clock and the early pedestrians were returning home. On a charge of murderous dash, Rahmat was sentenced into imprisonment. Here is what? Assault. Got it? Here in next question there is given what give the opposite word of the following. Okay, timid. You know very well meaning of the timid. What kind of lady she was? Minnie's mother was what kind of lady? She was timid lady. So you have to write the opposite word for the following. ये आपको खुद से करना है. आपको opposite यानी antonyms लिखना है. Timid, vexed, unfortunate, quaint, absurd. This all you will do by yourself only. Okay. Now another one is given here in fourth number. Give the synonyms of the following words. In the previous question, you are asked to write the antonyms and here you have to write what the synonyms of the following words. वहाँ पे आपको अपोजिट लिखना था और यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है उसका समानार्थी समान अर्थ वाला लिखना है. सिनोनिम सिमिलर वर्ड्स लिखना है. Now here is what wistfully. What is the synonyms of the wistfully? Sadly. Now here is what sordid. Sordid synonyms is what? Dirty. You have already done earlier also. Now here is what? Seldom. Seldom is what? Rarely. Rarely. That is synonyms. Intimacy. Intimacy means what? Closeness. Now there is what? Dread. What is the meaning of dread here? Fearful. Okay. Now see the question number 5. Find one word for each of the following expression. A long stick with sharp tip used as a weapon. That is known as what? Spear. S-P-E-A-R. I'm sorry, my dear students. My baby has come. That is why she started making noise here. See, once again I am going to start it from question number 5. See, once again. Find one word for each of the following expression. Okay? For the entire sentence, there is one word that you have to write here. The first one is a long stick with sharp tip used as a weapon is known as what? Spear. Now the next one, commodities that are offered for sale. That is known as what? Merchandise. M-E-R-C-H-A-N-D-I-S-E. Now, person who sells things such as resins or the fruits is known as what? Vendor. So this was all about the exercise of this chapter. So next we will start a fresh chapter. Thank you very much.